What's up YouTube? Back at it again with another Nike outlet find. This right here is a pair of Flyknit 3 VaporMaxes. I got them for $170, 30% off. Let's check out inside the box. Here we have these awesome Flyknit 3s in a multicolor colorway. Great pair of shoes. Gonna throw them on foot here in a second. You can let me know what you think of them in the comment section below. These are pretty fire. Let's see how they look. Finally got these on foot here, and as you can see, they're pretty fire. If you like the sneakers, definitely check out the StockX affiliate marketing link to buy them. The link's in the description. The joggers are pretty nice too. These are Xanarobes. There's an Amazon affiliate marketing link to check out Xanarobes in the description. You can hear my phone vibrating in the background. This is one of my favorite colorways of the Flyknit VaporMax 3. I think they're pretty fire. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.